to fix Wi-Fi not showing up on Windows 10. So let's get started. First of all, turn off airplane mode. If your Windows 10 laptop can't connect to Wi-Fi network but your phone can, the first thing you need to check is if your computer is stuck in airplane mode. Click Start, then head to the settings, and inside the settings, tap on the network and internet. From the left-hand menu pane, select airplane mode and turn off the toggle for airplane mode. Check wireless device and make sure Wi-Fi is also turned on. Now, after that, run the Internet Connections Troubleshooter. Fortunately, you can run built-in Windows troubleshooters you can use to solve a variety of problems, including issues with your internet connection. Open the Start menu, then head to Update and Security Troubleshoot. Then click Additional Troubleshooter, then select Internet Connections, run the troubleshooter, follow the displayed instructions. If this did not fix the issue, you can try running the Network Adapter Troubleshooter as well. Now, forget the current Wi-Fi network. This may seem odd, but sometimes Windows will detect a network if you make it forget the network settings and re-add them. First of all, press Windows plus I to open the settings menu. Go to the network and internet and select the Wi-Fi network you want to use and click forget. And simply re-enter it and re-add it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.